Hey, hi friends, welcome to my channel again. So this video about the boolean. So we already covered the number, okay, in this part. So now we will cover the boolean. So let's comment out this part and keep it to the below and keep some blank space here. Okay, so for booleans, basically, I wanted to say one thing. Boolean basically we use where there we need to make some conditions on the basis conditions, and we need to make some decisions. Okay, on the basis of the decisions we have to write some statement, and we want to execute some code. So yes, at that part we require the booleans, and to make a boolean in the Dart, we require the bool keyword. So here by using bool keyword we can make the booleans. So suppose now here I am making the is true boolean. Okay, there I am assigning true as a value. Okay, and same I am making another boolean that is a is false. So there I am I am assigning the value as false. And now I make the one condition, that is if is true. I mean the value into the is true value variable is a true, then print I am in correct block. Okay, if the condition is not true, then I'm making and I want to print the statement like I am not in correct block, and let's keep it into the string. Okay, so hi guys, I hope you understand the things, and let's execute this part. Okay, so the value of the is true, so that's why the first statement is executing inside the if statement. If I am passing is true instead of is true is false, so the else statement will be executed in that case, because here we have a false, so the first one will not execute, that else part will execute. So guys, I hope you understand the use of the boolean, and now you can also use where we require some condition, where we need to require some decision. Okay, so let's wait for the next video, and I hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe and press the bell icon.